You will need 1 cup of plain flour or maida, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda and about a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and 1/4 cup of oil. So let us start making it. Into this mixing bowl I am going to add in the milk and our lemon juice. Give it a gentle stir and leave it for a couple of minutes. Here I have a cooker in which I am going to add about 2 cups of salt. This is normal regular cooking salt. The reason behind this being little bit on the darker side because I have used this over 40 times. That is the reason behind this. So now I am going to keep this wire rack over here. Close this without the vessel and heat this up in medium flame until we are ready with the cake batter. Here I have a big mixing bowl in which I am going to sift in my dry ingredients. So in comes my baking powder, baking soda, salt and flour or maida and our powdered sugar. Now I am going to sift this twice. I have sifted this twice. Now let's mix our wet ingredients. So you can see this has thickened up and our buttermilk is ready. Now I am going to add in my oil to this. In goes my vanilla. Now mix this really well. Now all we have to do next is mix everything together and bake the cake. So let's do it. I'm going to make a well in the center and I'm going to add my wet ingredients to it. Now mix everything together. That's how easy it was. Now let's bake it. Here I have a normal utensil. I'm going to add in little bit of oil to this and grease it really well. Now I'm going to place my butter paper in it. I prefer butter paper in my cakes without oven because butter paper prevents the cake from burning if it is going to burn. Accidentally sometimes it may burn but normally it does not burn at all. So our butter paper is lined and I have greased also really well. You can see our cake batter has started bubbling up, so we want to be a little quick here. I'm going to tap this twice. I'm going to place the cake batter inside our cooker. Try to keep it in the center so that you get a very flat and nice cake. Now I'm going to close it and we are going to bake the cake for about 30 minutes in medium to low flame. Our cake baked for 35 minutes and is ready now. Enjoy it as you prefer. I am garnishing it with some almonds and melted chocolate.